Here's a handy way in which you can manage the app battery usage for every single app on your Nothing phone. This is with Android 14, and let's go ahead and dive into it. So if you have an app that's constantly running in the background and you want to prevent that from constantly draining the battery while it's running in the background, you'll look for the app itself, then go ahead and long press the app. So say for example with Messenger, I'll long press it and you'll see the app info show up right here. Once you go into the app info section here now, you can go ahead now down to where it says app battery usage. Once you enter into this section here, this is where you can toggle with whether it's going to be unrestricted, optimize, which is your balance, and then restricted. So if that particular app is constantly running in the background and you don't want it to do that anymore, save some battery life, and you only want that when you go back to that app, then you can actually make use of it to use the battery life. Go ahead and switch over to the restricted here. It's going to prevent some notifications from coming in when not using the app. But once you enter back into the app, you should get every single notification that you didn't get at the time. And of course, you can change these at any given time. Like and sub if this guide helped you in any way.